Welcome back to Crypto and Craft Beer. So today we're going to be talking about Civic CVC USDT pair. This pair is available on Coinbase, Binance, pretty much everywhere. We're going to be talking about it today because this, I believe, is another sleeping giant. If you have Coinbase and you're looking for another 100% move, I think Civic is the one that can possibly do it for us. Why do I say that? I've been holding Civic for a while. Like literally, I held Civic when I first started getting into crypto. Um, I held Civic since May. Dropped all the way down to 20 something cents. I held it through. And I think it came all the way back up to 40 something cents and I let it go. I mean, it just didn't seem like it was doing anything. It definitely climbed up out of the dip from that crash with Bitcoin and back in May for sure. But as of lately, I bought back in a Civic, I think at 42 cents. I rode it up to 50 cents and I got out because once it went up to 50 cents and came down about 48, 49 cents, Civic hasn't done anything. And I'm not going to lie to you, Civic has one of the most confusing charts ever. I mean, I'm looking at this chart and I mean, it went up fast. You had last year at 3 cents, the top of the bull run for the altcoin season for 2021. The first one, I'm guessing, is going to be 78 cents. And we actually had a day, and I was holding it. It went to $1, like literally 94 cents. My account doubled in one day, and I didn't sell it. That's one thing you got to learn about this hodl stuff. Like hodl long-term investments. Do not hodl something that's increased 100% in one day. You have 4,000 that turns to 8,000. You don't take profit. Take some profit. You could at least took the 4,000 and let your original investment run. But that's how it works. You need to definitely make the best decision for you. Stop listening to all the white noise. Back to Civic. Only reason I say Civic is due to run some more in this market is because of this market cap. I mean, it has a $325 million market cap. The total supply of Civic is 1 billion. And then the circulating supply of Civic is 670 million. So it's all the coins are pretty much already circulated. One of the biggest things that attract me to Civic is knowing that in the future they are going to want to verify who is using these platforms. Even though they say it's decentralized, they want to know. They want to know who's using this platform, who's making this trade. And Civic will be the cryptocurrency blockchain company that will come to the rescue and provide that information. They do use AI to run their business. So let's check out their website. Website's very nice and flawless. I did read over it. Pretty much what they do here is identification verification. And what you want to do is you want to look at what they're going to be doing long term, where the price is now, and how it correlates to the future. And that is why I consider Civic a long term hold. I do see it maybe doing 100% this year and then crashing. Right when Bitcoin crashes, it's going down. So Civic, once again, identity solutions. One of the biggest things I saw is that they're trying to help people combat bots with their NFTs. So now they're trying to give digital IDs to companies that drop NFTs. So that way there's not a situation where bots are pretty much arbitraging the platform where the bots get the prize first instead of real people. Because we have that situation where bots are trading and they're clogging up the system. So, Civic is who's coming to that rescue and bringing a solution. They're helping with the NFTs and they're also just helping with identity verification, which is going to mean from platform to platform. If you're going to go to, if you're going to go to a different trading platform and you need to verify yourself for example, Coinbase, and they want to get all this verification information. When they partner with Civic, all they have to do is Civic, you already have your information with Civic. So it's pretty much a seamless process. You don't have to put your ID up to your face and things like that to get a new account somewhere. So Civic is going to be able to remove all of that process and just make it seamless for you. So like I said, I picked it because I know in this world we still want to know who's doing what. even though they're saying it's decentralized and private. So check it out. Do your own research. This is not financial advice. Civic is at 48 cents. Looking at the charts, it looks like it's going to want to consolidate here at the 48.50 cents line. But seeing these big candles come up, big candles throughout these short periods of time, I think we're going to see a big spike that sticks. So we're going to see, I think, a dollar. Honestly, if it gets past this last fib, I'm thinking $1.40 within the next year. So I'm just, long-term plays, how to put your money up instead of a bank account, flip it. Some of these plays are longer than others. Civic is one of those. I wouldn't look for overnight success on Civic, okay? All right, cheers, everybody.